afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question, question number 30. And the instruction here says choose from the option letter A to E the one that is the most appropriate interpretation for each of the following statements. And this instruction is to answer question 1 to 30. So this is the last question we'll be answering under this question. And the statements say the judgment delivered by the chief judge was above board. The topic is from Eden. The judgment delivered by the chief judge was above board. This means that the judgment was dash. The focus of Eden is above board. Above board means beyond doubt. Beyond doubt. So option A say acceptable, B say bias, C say credible, D say faulty, E say lopsided. So for something to be above doubt, that is it has the element of acceptability. So option A is correct. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.